So you have launched your fashion brand or a creative brand or cosmetic brand, or you have products that you're ready to go with on the market and establish your brand. This video is for you because we will talk about Etsy and why Etsy doesn't work for most of the fashion designers and what are the best strategies in 2023 for your brand to be successful online. Let's dive in. With 96 million active buyers and 7.5 million sellers, Etsy is the biggest place where designers meet their customers. Etsy generated $2 billion in revenue in 2021, almost $500 million in profit. But let's face it, as a small designer brand, you need to stand out from the other 7 million sellers and learn how to make ads on this platform, the keywords, and work professionally for Etsy. Basically, you work for Etsy and help them generate $2 billion in revenue, and they take 30% of your commission from your salary. Do you want to become a salesperson for them? I bet you not. You want to focus on your business and you want to develop your creative ideas. And besides, being on Etsy doesn't help you to develop your brand professionally. Why? The platform is overcrowded. For instance, in the clothing and shoes category alone, I found 13 million plus results with ads. The marketplace is saturated. High competition with underpriced items. I found a leather bag 24 hours for only $43. Really? Is this the price you want to sell for? Your 100 hours of work of creating a product and make a living for it? You need to take it seriously and spend all your time on it. In order to stand out from 7 million Etsy vendors, what is your strategy? Nice pictures, better prices, better keywords, ads, better targeting, better packaging, positive reviews, and know your customers. So why limit yourself to only one platform if you have the whole internet to target with the same exact actions? Guess what? The same is true and is relevant to your whole digital marketing and strategy, and you don't give away 30% of your commission through the process. Rather than spend your time and energy on one platform where, by the way, you don't build your brand, you just sell products, you can spend all your energy and time building a brand on the internet and grow from there. Imagine all your efforts combined from your own website will bring more customers and more money if you do it for your own website. On Etsy, the customers doesn't belong to you. Whatever number of sales you do on Etsy, those people's emails don't belong to you. You don't have access to them and you cannot cross-sell or show your new products to them. There is no way of building relationships with them and using their emails to continue to sell to them. You are one of many other faceless vendors for them on Etsy. No identity, no attachment. While brands I work with all have loyal customers who buy from them 10 times a year, because once a customer finds a brand that suits them, they don't go away. And it happens because all of them are connected to the brand through emails. Listen, I hope you've understood whatever you've done before for Etsy, you should do it for yourself. And here are my advices what you should do instead. Spend your time on growing your brand as a whole identity. Choose your target audience and see what type of people you want to serve. Identify their lifestyle, interests, shopping behaviors, what they like, what they don't, who they follow online, and what their value set is. For example, you want to target a vegan community. Find out where those people are hanging out, talk to them personally, ask questions, listen, and draw your ideal customer profile. The next step would be to match your website to this consumer. If you don't have a website, please consider Shopify to create one. You can create one in a week and start driving your traffic there. You need to tailor your brand message story and images to your ideal customer. Use Pinterest and create mood boards about your brand identity, your ideal customer, and visualize how both of these essential elements can fit into your brand identity and attract the right customers to you. Second, build your content machine. Imagine 3 pillars you want your brand to position about and use 3 angles to talk about brand and keep interest with your audience. For instance, your brand is about know-how, function, and lifestyle. Using those three principles, come up with educational content, behind the scene, and inspirational content. Look at what your competitors do and identify what works for them, and then build your own content using the knowledge and not copying them. This will drive natural organic traffic to your website and connect you to your audience. When creating your content, you need to keep in mind what your audience likes, what their life looks like, what do they think about, what are their common beliefs, and in this way you can connect to them and build strong relationships. And the coolest thing about it is free. You don't need to pay anyone and you keep your 30% on sales. Start building your audience early. The more of them connect to your brand through your content, the more you will see growth in coming months and years. Be patient. Find what works and repeat it. Then build your organic traffic with tools. Use SEO to drive more traffic. Use it wisely. Research your niche and understand the words that they are using for their search. Position yourself on Google and Pinterest. Google is about the intention of buying and functional search, such as a black long skirt with pockets. Pinterest is about contextual search, such as autumn trends in fashion. Both of them allow to attract customers whose main intent is to shop. And you want to position yourself as a potential seller for them. By the way, Google has 4 billion searches on a monthly basis. It is not compared to 96 million buys on Etsy. And Pinterest is about 500 million of active users, and they come there for more inspiration and for more fashion tips. So I think now, if you compare all these numbers, you can see the value, right? Spend this energy on positioning yourself as a brand and working on your keywords on a larger scale than just Etsy. In such a way, you can promote your website and keep your commission. By the way, if you have more questions about the SEO and the search, I can make another video about this subject. Just let me know in the comments below. Then find your best-selling product and leverage it for your marketing machine. Your best-selling product will help you stabilize your sales and drive people to your brand. You need to make your best-selling product visible through your posts, emails, ads, SEO strategies, and make it visible on your homepage on your website. This one is crucial. If you want to make your brand stand out and help you grow your buyers on a daily basis, it doesn't mean that you stop making everything else. It means that you use your best-selling products as a carrot for everything else that your brand will provide later to them if they follow you and are in your emailing list. The growth comes from best-selling products and new drops after the first purchase. The last thing that you need to build is your emailing machine and sell to your email list. Emails are transactional. I never stop repeating this. If you don't have emails, you will not have sales. If you are consistent in your email strategy, each email will generate sales. So while you are building your website and your audience on Instagram and you're driving traffic to your website through your SEO on Google and Pinterest, collect as maximum emails as you can through this process. The simple hacks: an immediate pop-up with 10% off on your website, a landing page with a VIP list on your Instagram bio. In our program, we also use a teasing campaign, and each time we sell a new drop to generate as many emails as we can to guarantee sales. And finally, you need to build your brand. Building your brand goes through offer structure, brand emails, and having an audience who connects to your brand. All those key elements are just not possible on Etsy. The only thing that you can do on Etsy is to sell. But selling consistently is all about the brand building process and respecting a blueprint that brings you there. If you want to know more, watch my video about the smartest route to 10K a month, just after this one. And remember, people don't buy products, they buy brands and the belonging to the values that the brand provides. This is why you should stop selling on Etsy. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and we are here. If you have any other questions, put in the comments and I will prepare another video that will help you to find answers to your questions. So please don't forget to watch my next video, which is about the smartest route to the 10K a month, and see you there.